that will also make people like you. And they just feel so much more special. Before they ask you about it, you already provided them with that. Just to make it feel like, oh, this waiter. And adopting these methods will guaranteed. Hi, welcome back to Waiter, There's More. Today, we'll be talking about how to increase your tips. I've worked in the hospitality industry for 16 plus years. I'll be sharing my tips and tricks on how to make the guest experience more pleasurable for them. Tip 1. Be positive. Pay the guest a compliment. Give them a compliment on their scarf color, their tie. Take their coats, pull out their chair. There's lots of things you can do to be positive. Tip 2 is you need to provide exceptional service. Give them what they need before they know they need it. For example, if you're working in the terrace and you see that a guest is on their way to taking a cigarette from their package up to their mouth, you can instantly be there with a lighter, and thus they don't have to use their own lighter. That's just a small thing that you can do. If they have a bottle of wine, always keep the guest glasses topped up. If you know that they are turning up to the restaurant with a child, if the booking says so, you can beforehand prep a chair for the child, get some coloring books, pen and paper, things that the guest will need. Before they ask you about it, you already provided them with that. That's exceptional service. Step 3, personalize the guest's experience. If it's a regular, try to remember their dog's name, their children's name, just to make it feel like, oh, this waiter, he remembers me. And they just feel so much more special. You can probably put information into the bookings that tells you like, okay, how many times have they been here before? If you have a system where you can organize that, that'd be great. For like somebody else that is new can easily say to that guest, welcome back. Step 4, be knowledgeable. If you know everything about the menu, then you don't have to go and ask all the time. That's bad service. For you not to know what's in a dry martini or an amaretto sour, that's not good service. So always be knowledgeable about the menu, know what everything tastes like, know how long everything is gonna take. So if there's a couple, she orders a starter and they both order main courses, ask them, would you like me to bring out the starter first and wait until you finish the starter to bring out the main course, or would you like me to just bring it out as it finishes up from the kitchen? Always communicate with your guests. That way they will appreciate all the effort you put into their experience. Tip 5, make sure that your clothes are clean and not broken or teared or whatever. Please put some hair gel in your hair and make an effort to just be presentable. And that will also make people like you. I know it sounds weird, but if you make an effort to look good and feel good, then that translates into more tips, I promise. If you're not making a lot of tips, and adopting these methods will guaranteed give you more tips. Thank you for today. Don't forget to comment if you'd like me to talk about any other subjects, and subscribe and like this video. Thank you very much. Bye.